swims on the ground. No ocean waves, no splashing sound. Eats his snacks and roams the town in his sneakers up and down. Jeff the land shark never needs a saltwater splash to feed. But when he strides with such great speed, makes friends with all the land he greets. He's got no fear of deserts dry, no tide to churn, no seagulls cry. In the city watch him fly, with a toothy grin, he's our favorite guy. No fins for him, just paws instead. He naps where concrete makes his bed. On skateboard rides or bikes he's led. A quirky life, he's well spread. Jeff the land shark never needs a saltwater splash to feed. On land he strides with such great speed, makes friends with all the land he greets. Fins for him, just paws instead. He naps where concrete makes his bed. On skateboard rides or bikes he's led. A quirky life, he's well spread. Jeff the land shark never needs a saltwater splash to feed. On land he strides with such great speed, makes friends with all the land he greets. Ice cream trucks and food cart lanes, he never minds the sun or rains. Through parking alleys free of chains, Jeff the land shark breaks the reins.